Hey guys, Ryan here from Professional Hair Labs, and today we're bringing some exciting news. We're just about to launch our 7-step travel pack, which means our brilliant high-performing products can be brought with you anywhere you go. So let me take a quick minute to take you through what's in the travel pack and what each of the products do. So the first product in our travel pack is called Ultrasafe. This is our adhesive remover specifically formulated for the scalp. Our second product in the travel pack is called GHOSTBuster, and this is a remover only for use on the hair system. The third product in our travel pack is the New Dimensions Dual Action Shampoo, which is an adhesive residue remover specifically formulated for use only during the detach and reattach process. The fourth product is our PHL5 shampoo, which is a clarifying shampoo to restore the base of the unit and your scalp back to its original condition. The fifth product in the line is called Remove All, and this is an exfoliator for the scalp. The sixth product in the travel pack is called DermaMug, and this is a mud mask specifically for the scalp. It removes all impurities and toxins from the skin and leaves you with a smooth surface for bonding. The seventh product in the travel pack is No Sweat, and this is an antiperspirant for the scalp only. All of these products are included in this easy to pack travel pack, which will ensure that no matter where you go, if you have any lifting or if you have any trouble with your hair unit, that you have the products in place to maintain your system. If you have any questions about how to purchase this product or want to open a professional account so you can get this product directly from us, please click the link below and fill out an application, and one of our team will be in touch within 24 hours.